Which term best defines the word exposure as it is used in paragraph 2 of the passage? A. Combination, B. Contact, C. Disclosure, or D. Exhibition. Exposure is used multiple times in both paragraphs, but always with the same meaning and connotation. With that in mind, as our question focuses on the second paragraph, let's take a look at the first instance where exposure is used in the second paragraph. We see this in the second sentence, which tells us that currently the mechanisms of why humans receive mental health or cognition benefits from nature exposure is unknown. Combination doesn't make sense in this context, as the passage doesn't tell us anything else that's in combination with nature. This can be marked as incorrect. Disclosure merely sounds like exposure and can be marked as incorrect as well. And exhibition simply doesn't have enough to do with this sentence to be considered. We are left with contact, which fits perfectly in our context. If we replace the word exposure with contact, it says benefits from nature contact, and we can see that it works just as well as exposure, as both are referring to getting out and being immersed in nature. Based on this, we can mark B, contact, as our final answer.